Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk. Okay.
Alright guys, bukod sa nandito tayo sa grand opening ng Gold Ribbon, syempre, andito tayo sa ating isa na namang superhero ng mga Pinoy sa Ireland. Syempre, introduce natin.
Yes, we have Kuya, wag na daw ako mag-Kuya, GV Tolentino.
Yes.
Isang malupit talaga to. Kumbaga sabi nga, patayan kong tumakbo.
Yes.
And he has loads of achievements when it comes to running. So Kuya, introduce mo naman. Oo, sino ba si GV Tolentino? Saan ba galing si GV Tolentino sa Pilipinas?
This is GV Tolentino. I was born in Barutak Bio, Iloilo.
Okay.
I grew up in Ilonggo Gid. I grew up in Santa Barbara, Iloilo. I start running there since 10 years old, primary school.
Oh wow,
so
10 pa lang.
Runner ka na pala talaga.
So, because the distance from my home to school is like 4 kilometers to 5 kilometers, I run every day live.
To go to school?
Yes.
So,
okay.
Then, it's in the book anyway.
Yes.
My grandfather bring my bags to the guardhouse. And
Okay.
I run to school. Then I going home. My grandfather put on the tricycle to back home. Then I run home.
Oh, so talagang
Kuya, talagang gusto mo lang tumakbo o walang
talagang transportation. I have
ano?
no money. I'm just an ordinary kids.
Okay.
I grew up in the farm. Yeah.
Siguro Kuya, tumatakbo ka niya, nakachinelas lang.
Even no slippers.
Wala pa, kasi talagang probinsya talaga.
It's like from 9 kilometers from Santa Barbara town and 5
Papunta doon.
kilometers to 4, I think, to Saraga town. So I go to school everyday life. Walking,
That's from elementary, high school?
Yeah, I poured already in my heart.
High school.
So, yeah.
And during elementary, di ba meron tayong mga running?
Yeah, area meets.
Nananalo ka na lagi.
50 meter dash I won all the time.
Oh,
I see.
So,
and are you in yung national?
Yeah, I won an area meets. Then I won in high school in private athletics association, RISA.
Ang galing.
Yeah, and provincial meet as well. And I run 4x100, 4x4, and 800 meters, 1,500. Then I go up level, 5,000 because when my uncle is 1992 Barcelona Olympian visit in my house.
Okay.
Oh, so it's in the family. Runs in the blood.
It's my uncle, my father's cousin. So,
sino na nga yan, Kuya?
si Herman Suizo, 10 times Milo champion in
Oh wow,
Philippines.
Milo champion.
Yeah,
Talagang ano siya.
Iran is 219, 218 that time in the 90s, 80s, and he always come in our house to visit my grandfather, and he bring me to fishing on the river, and he teach me a lot. If you want to be a champion, you need to wake up early morning, back-to-back run, and you need to do your beyond your comfort zone.
So probably he is your idol.
He's my
basically.
hero. He's my idol.
Yeah.
Anyway, when I was very young, he teach me a lot.
And then going back and then nung college naman, Kuya.
Ang college, yung after high school, varsity ako ng Sacred Heart Academy.
Okay.
So it's in the book anyway. I try outs. Then I always on the side because I'm shy. Because I have nothing. Everything is like So my mom worked in the wheat market. Selling vegetable. My dad is an alcoholic, and I live with my grandfather and grandmother. So my auntie from Hong Kong helping financially my allowance na binibigay nila. So nakakatulong sa akin, pero it's not enough to go to the private school.
Of course, yeah.
So the sisters give me 50%. So the sister said, if you won, then you become 100%. So I won 5 gold medals and in private school athletics association in Iloilo. So without shoes, I tape my.
Oh my
Because I
God.
have no money to buy.
You'll see the grip, no?
Of course,
I
yeah.
wearing Grosby that time. You know the shoes. the
Yeah,
Grosby?
yeah.
So that time I awarded in 1990 to most outstanding athlete. Then it's an offer for Central Philippines University in Iloilo.
yes.
I didn't grab that one. I go to Baco, fourth year high school. I go to what you call that? La Consolacion School in Negros.
Why, anong dahilan ko yun?
Dahil my mom said that to my uncle that it's better to be exposed in the city because
yes.
because
So,
I
The competition is higher.
yeah, more higher
More
competition.
pressure.
Then I go to La Consolacion in Negros. The problem is I need to help my uncle to the grocery.
Oh,
Yeah.
you cannot practice.
I cannot proper training. Then I always too tired because I go on the weekend. I go to
Market.
Market to help your mother.
to help my uncle.
Oh, your uncle, yeah.
Because he's paying 50% my tuition. Then I have no
Yeah.
choice. Then I live running for a while. Then I go to LaSalle for tryout because they can see anyway my record. But
Yeah.
LaSalle,
No practice.
LaSalle is
Big school.
big school.
Yeah.
Then especially I couldn't train properly because I need to work later and Bacolod City at night. Then I said, my mom said that okay, in the future you have someday, you can come back someday. You focus your study and I work. I live very sad running.
Oh, it's really,
Yeah.
oh,
Then
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
really painful. And then after that, come out of my mood. I drinking, barkadas, party. I live. I forget about running. Then
to forget running,
Yeah.
maraming
Then I
barkada.
finished my college in 2 years degree in computer science. Then after that, in 2000, I come to Ireland.
Ito, na-meet mo na yung husband. Yung, yung...
My wife
Your
met in
wife.
Philippines.
Oo.
Oh,
So after that, in 2014, I resurrect my passion.
Here
Yeah.
in Ireland na. Oh, okay.
Then I said to myself, I need to start zero again. Where
Yes, of course.
Yeah, because
where
that
I
would-
came from.
Yes.
I start on the track oval on Cavite TV. I walk, but I palpitating because I smoke, I drink.
Yeah.
I have.
And how old were you that time?
That
na?
time is like
Mga
40.
40 na.
I think 2014. I'm 48 now.
Okay. So that's mga ano kuya?
38.
38.
Yeah, like
38.
that. Going to
10 years ago.
Yeah.
Now, how long did it take you to go back into, like, you say, oh yeah, you can compete?
It's like 3 months. I walk
3
in
months? Oh, that's very good.
Yeah, then-
Parang encrypted sa
Yeah,
iyo.
then
no?
I keep breathing techniques, inhale, deep inhale, slow release, then blow. It's here, it's like you're blowing the balloon. Then keep compose momentum back. Then I walk on the trail.
Yeah.
Higher elevation is thin air and lungs become expanded again. Then
Yeah.
that's I start slowly running on the 400 meters. 1 loop, 2 loops until then I reach 5K, 10K. Then I start on the trail. On the trail, I do the hell repeat.
Gusto mo talaga ang trail, no, kuya?
Yeah, because trail is it's plenty of
Challenge, huh? Challenging.
You balance, recover your muscle because
Yeah.
all your muscle you can use your.
Because
yeah.
with me, I'm more into the road.
Yeah. Because trail is more recovery, and your lungs become expanded. Then after I run on the trail, I drop my body to the cold lake.
Yeah.
Then I go up. I have everything.
Okay.
Then run again in the car park.
Yeah.
Then recover.
Feedback.
Yeah. The next day I use the road because I use the trail for.
So the road is just nothing for you because it's flat.
The roads I use for
Recovery.
mileage.
Mileage,
Endurance.
Endurance.
Yeah. So I run on the park because you can run longer on the road, whatever you want because
Yeah.
you're closer
I
to
think I should-
hydration. Yeah. Then the trails I use that for my cardio, stamina, and strength.
So the thing is, who is training you? Are you just reading from
From
somewhere?
your experience.
Yeah. Because that's very important for those people who want to.
I have now,
run.
for the first time, I put back everything when in 1990s, 87, 88. I recall everything what I'm
Oh.
training.
Your uncle
Yeah,
told you.
and my uncle, because he's a marathoner, so he said to me that that's you. You just build your endurance. You have the speed. You have already in your genes. You have in your blood.
Yeah.
So just long run. I do long run on the weekend. 3 times a week I go run on the mountain. Then I do flexibility, mobility. Mobility is a proper application.
Yes, of course.
A bit yoga, then a bit of strength training twice a week. Strength training.
Yeah.
Then it's like mix. Then I do the hell repeat. The hell repeat is normal, not really long. It's short. It's like
Yeah.
40 seconds. It's like a flyover. Because the progression is more. Because it's 1 kilometer. It's no progression. Only 40
Okay.
seconds speed. Then walk downhill. So then next time you run the downhill, walk uphill.
I see.
So you hit the quad and you hit the
I
it's
will
balance.
do
Oh,
that.
I see. Yeah. Now the question is, ano-ano na ba yung nasalihan mong marathon para lang malaman ng ating mga kababayan,
So,
maging inspiration din?
I start running Dublin Marathon, Limerick Marathon. I do that, Belfast Marathon, and I do the Portumna. I run 100k in 9 hours
Oh my
something.
God, yeah.
Sub 10, sub 10
Oh.
hours.
Oh. Wow.
9:53. That's my first past marathon. But 19 years ago in Philippines, I can run 2:46 marathon.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
my God.
But it's not really official or something.
Okay,
It's
okay.
normal, you know. Then I won cross country as well. You know, the
Oh, yeah.
cross country race. And I won the Dublin Marathon. Belfast to Dublin return. 346. That's
You're
my long.
into long run talaga, no?
So when you mean you won, are you the first one?
First male champion.
Oh, wow. Well
And
done.
one male finisher.
Ah.
It's from Europa Hotel
Wow.
to the Guinness
Yeah.
and back.
Oh
So
my
that's
God.
into
Oh, wow.
2019. That's my first one that self-navigate.
Yeah.
That's more challenge for me than
Of course, you navigate and then you're tired and everything.
Yeah, it's like
And always checking. They have
they have
someone
a
checking.
GPS tracking.
Okay.
And there's a
And you know, are you allowed to stop? Ay,
Yeah.
paano yun? Or
because
all night,
you
all
allowed
day
yeah
and
you
night
allowed
yun?
to stop and you sleep, but you
It's
be
up to
aware
you.
of the
You will
cutoff.
lose.
Yeah.
Cutoff. But the more
Time.
you longer you stop, the more pain you have. Yeah, it's
Of
better
course.
movements.
Ah, that's a technique, guys.
Even you're eating but you're walking, still walking.
Oh,
Then
I see.
you can get your caffeine shot anyway if you want. But you need to train night run as well
Yeah.
if you want to run multi-days.
Have you been to America?
Yeah, last
Okay.
World Championship 2023.
Okay.
So I run 337 miles non-stop
No.
on the 170 meters per lap, and I ranked 13th in the world.
Oh, 13.
I always
Wow,
see,
that's-
80 champion.
many runners, or I suppose I've watched Joe Rogan's podcast before, and he was interviewing somebody who's running like what you're doing.
Yeah.
It's a long distance running. What do you call it?
Harvey Lewis.
Yeah.
Harvey Lewis is one
Yeah.
of the famous athletes in USA. Horberis is in Canada. So I met them next year in Australia.
Now the question again is that when you're doing something like this, it is somebody funding you or is it self-funding?
Some races I self-fund, but some races that I have sponsors,
Okay.
private sponsors. Now I'm in the cloud in Iceland.
Okay.
Cloud, yeah, the cloud.
Cloud, yes.
Oh, I
So
see.
they
Okay.
sponsor me now, my gear and some expenses to travel.
So it's
But is it just the expenses for traveling, or do you have like compensations like as in
I
like?
didn't sign contract yet. I go back
Not yet.
on September.
Okay.
Good luck. Galing, galing, galing.
Then,
So there will be like a monthly compensation.
Yeah. I finished Spartathlon 3 times.
Oh wow.
Spartathlon, then this is the PDPDs.
Yeah.
Spartathlon is Athens to Sparta only. Then after I finish in September, I go back on November. So double the distance.
Yeah.
Supposedly I go to World Championship in 2021, but because of COVID,
Pandemic.
Yeah.
then I
Yeah.
didn't empty my luggage.
Yeah.
Stay there, and I said, okay, I have invitation in PDPDs. I run this because the training I go to backyard is nothing.
Yes.
Yeah, I train for 5 months, then it's cancelled.
Yeah. You don't want to.
Disappointing.
Disappointing,
na po yan.
yeah.
Yeah, you
Because
don't want to
I'm
go to
ready
waste.
that in 2021 World
Yeah.
Championship. Then that record is finished. Then I need to qualify again. I run in Germany 62 hours.
Alright,
Oh, wow.
to
Then qualify again in
again.
2023
Okay.
because it's every 2 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I won in the national champion in Florence Court in 2022 last October in 51 hours. It is 40 hours rain. It's brutal. October is brutal.
Yes.
Then I didn't know I won because the other guy, 3 of us left, and during the night we didn't see each other.
Yeah.
Then I always coming 57 minutes. It's 3 minutes cut off. Then they go first. Then when they start, we meet on the start. Then after that, one more runner left, and it's intimidating because he's saying that okay, my father wants to collect me, and I need to go home. And I said, he asking me, how long you gonna stay? And I said, until it's end. It's like, you know, it's mental game.
Yes,
You know? Because only 1-2, but I don't want him to stop, and he don't want me to stop as well. Because if the game is, the race is finished.
Yeah.
So he ran 50, I need to run again another loop to win the game.
Oh.
And the race, yeah. This is an assess. So that's why I qualify in 20 last year.
It's all running is probably it's a mind mental toughness, yeah. But is it like when you're running like that, do you come to a point wherein when you're running with nobody looking at you, and do you get like dizzy or something like?
Delirium.
Yeah.
I hit. It's like I hit the wall or something, but I slap my face like that.
I see.
I slap my face.
Just to wake you up.
To wake me up. Then when I arrive to that finish that block, I take a pumping shot. Yeah.
Oh.
Normally, all my food is.
So it's allowed.
Yeah, it's
to have
allowed.
caffeine shot.
Prepared.
Then you arrive 55, you have 5 minutes left.
Oh.
Then 57 bill, 58 bill, and 59 you need to be in the start. Then go again. It's every hour. So it's very tough race. It's so brutal because the human body is shut down in 60 hours.
Of course. Yeah.
The brain. Yeah, that's why you need.
But whenever you win something like that, is there like, obviously it's a tough game, right? It's a tough sport.
Yeah.
Is there any like a prize money for that, or is there?
It's a recognition, and if you have sponsor, it's very good because if you won, many want to
sponsor you.
Yeah, especially my workplace.
Yeah.
Sponsor me now. And
anong workplace mo pa? Anong work mo dito?
I work in the catering housekeeping department in St. John of God Hospital.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they're very supportive.
Supportive now.
Of course, yeah.
The marketing communication in our hospital, because we have 50 branches, I think, in Ireland, St. John of God Hospital. And speak to me last week to study my story, and it's like a PR. So we'll see. But it was good, you know.
That's good, guys. Now maybe we'll cut it here because para naman sa ating mga viewers na magkaroon, parang ano lang ito, kumbaga tidbits lang nung kung ano pa yung nandito sa book mo. And would you like to promote your book now para sa ating mga kababayan?
This book is nangyari lang to it's happened when I ran Spartathlon. So the writer is Maria Elena, is my crew. So they joking that how about we write book, my story?
Yes.
Because it's something history. Yeah. And we'll see. Yeah. Then when I finish the race and Spartathlon, then I decided to run this one, and she asking me to get everything
to recall
it. So it's very hard because late night we chatting, we some video call, what to put, editing, editing, and any photos and send to her, you know. And he said that's because your story it is something to touch the life of the other people, because look, I said to her that humility is my greatest motivation, and it's better because to inspire other kids as well, how to take good care of their mom. Because I since a young age it's been forged in my heart is to win, no other option. Because to I don't want my mom to go to the market. So that's the real story. I share my story because of my mom. So,
Okay.
my parents.
That's really nice. Excited na ako basahin yung book ko. And thank
So,
you for my dedication.
thank you, GB, for sitting with us.
Yes.
At mga kababayan, ito po ang kanyang book. Suportahan po natin ang ating kapwa Filipino dito sa Ireland. At syempre, isang kumbaga may pagmamalaki talaga natin na
Great
kumbaga,
achievement.
yes, hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para sa atin, ng mga Filipinos. Diba?
I have a coming race on Australia and USA. I go to Milan on May 31 for one of the last man standing backyard. I'm a guest runner there. Then I go Australia and June 21 for a bigger race for the world 50 countries worldwide. And I go back to the World Championship on USA, Tennessee, and October 2025.
Wow, galing.
To represent Ireland,
Good luck.
to represent Ireland and Philippines.
Good luck, Kuya. Good luck. So, sa
Okay.
lahat po na gustong mag-avail ng book ni Kuya GB, follow niyo lang siya sa Facebook. And
Yes.
he has the link. And sa mga taga-Waterford, you can get in touch with me or dito din si Kuya si Ate
Ronald.
Daisy and Kuya Ronald as well. Gold Ribbon, get in touch with them to get your copy.
Yes, grab your copy, guys!
So, hanggang sa muli.
Yun. Okay.
Tara,
you.
yes. Hanggang
Yes.
sa muli. Thank you.
Okay, well done. Okay.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.